Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another how-to video with Chef. Today Chef's going to show us how to make some fried shrimp. Fried shrimp's definitely a fan favorite. You've probably seen it at different gatherings, parties, or possibly weddings. Very popular appetizer. However, what you may not know is a lot of people are kind of intimidated. They feel it's really difficult to make, but we want to show you that it's very simple to make, and you can make these and definitely be the star of the show. So let's go ahead and get started. So Chef has a bowl of cold water, and this is because he bought his shrimp frozen, which is said no big deal. It is uncooked, and it's already been deveined and peeled. So he said look for in the store deveined and peeled shrimp that's uncooked, and thaw this in some cold water, about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, while it's thawing, go ahead and just get your prep work ready. So we got a little bit of flour, throw a little salt and some pepper in there. Chef's going to add a couple other seasonings. He's going to do some garlic powder and a little bit of paprika. He said whatever you feel comfortable with or whatever you like, go ahead and use. Mix these thoroughly together, and let's move on to our egg wash. So a couple eggs mixed with a little bit of milk, and Chef's is going to mix this together. Don't forget to check out our blog for the full directions on this as well. The final step is going to be the Panko breadcrumbs. Now Panko is going to be a thicker kind of breadcrumb, as you're well aware of. And Chef's going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And he also said this is up to you, but he's going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is grated. Panko breadcrumbs really adhere to the shrimp better and give you a really crispy, crunchy texture. So Chef has his cooking corner set up, no pun intended. And he has his shrimp all thawed, the water's been drained, and he patted them dry. So using the tail of the shrimp as a handle, just dredge the shrimp right through the flour, and then move right on to your egg wash. The shrimp tail will act as a nice little handle, so you don't have to get your fingers wet or dirty. Move over to the panko, and then make sure you really get those nice and thoroughly coated. When the shrimp has been fully coated, just move it over to a plate and continue on. Afterwards, Chef's going to put this in the fridge for about 10 or 15 minutes so the panko can really adhere to the shrimp and get his oil getting started. Oh, that's right, Chef has a new toy, his Copper Chef pan. He's very excited. If you're watching Copper Chef, we enjoy your products, he said. So a little canola oil in the pan, heat it up to 350 degrees. And if you have a basket, use that. Chef's going to put a bunch in the basket. If you don't have a frying basket, you're just going to lightly drop them in slowly and don't overcrowd your oil. So Chef's going to slowly put this in. And they're going to cook for roughly between 2 to 2.5 minutes because they are thawed. Shrimp doesn't take that long to cook. If they were still frozen, you'd want to go 2.5 to 3 minutes. So here we are, give them a little bit of shake and a few more seconds, Chef said. After that 2.5 minute mark, now you'll see they have a really golden brown look to them, very crunchy. Chef said to now remove them and put them on a plate and monitor your heat if you're going to continue to fry. You want them right around 230 or so if you're going to keep frying. Next, go ahead and plate these up and watch your fingertips because as soon as you put them down, they will be nabbed. This is Chef's secret homemade cocktail sauce. Don't ask for the recipe, he won't give it out. And of course you want to put a little fresh squeezed lemon on top for a garnish. And Chef said if you have any that have already been all, breadcrumb pankoed up, just put them in a bag and freeze them. You can use them down the road. That's the best part about this. Use whatever ones down the road, put them in a freezer bag for later. But here you have it. So again, you saw the video, simple as can be. Few steps and you fry them up, and there you have some delicious, very crispy fried shrimp. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you can keep up with some of our videos. We enjoy seeing you guys in the comments below, so make sure to be there. Thanks everyone again. I'm the narrator. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.